The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla. That you call record. See, some people are easy, you know. Viewers and subscribers, I just presented to you a video that shows a person swimming and wearing a mask at the same time. Yeah, that video that I just presented to you show a person swimming and wearing a mask at the same time. Do you think that is safe? Do you think that is safe? Because I do not think that is safe, you know. I think that is dangerous. See? I wonder if someone can actually breathe properly through a mask that is wet. Alright, you can let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, I have more videos I'm going to present to you. And the next video I'm going to present to you, this video had been recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. This video is about an incident where it is said that the police within the country of Jamaica arrested a vendor somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not have any confirmed information as to why the person had been arrested, and I do not have any information as to when the incident happened, isn't it? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers, alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Me I get locked up right now today, right now. Me up on live now, so me I get locked up. Me I get locked up and charged for push and sell. You hear me, some people see what I go on here? Me I go buy my goods and down a diamond cash and carry, and the police pull me over and say me can't push me trolley if I go buy goods, if I go sell over a bus park. So that's the deal. So I'm going to see what I go on. You understand? Me cannot push if I go buy goods down the road there, if I come back over the bus park come sell. I don't know what kind of style is, what Jamaica going so. Eh? Me I say, hey me boss, I push you go buy goods, you know. Goods me I go buy. If I go back over the bus park I go sell. And then I say, I can't push. And charge me for this. You understand? Charge me. You understand? Some people want to see what I go on. You understand? They stop my goods them and I carry truck come take up my goods them. And things so I want to see what I go on. And I push from the road to go down and go buy goods to sell. Me have picnic for feed, me have everybody for feed too. So and I let me on the road that I turn a nuisance to people. Me understand? Me I sell my goods them and people stop me. Policeman stop me and tell me say me cannot. You understand me? To see how much things in our thing, you see it? I have a thing never sell. And I count every one of them in the head. So then take up the thing and go. You understand? All of my goods them take up. If they don't lock up me, I lock up everybody else too. You understand? I go buy goods to sell back. You understand? Yeah, take up the things, sir. That's matter. You understand? I take out the things them, see there? Boss, them have to... When you see people, when you see what I go on, them pull up here some foot and say I cannot go buy goods to come back and sell back. So I tell them what I go on, you understand? You understand? I say if you have license and them sitting there. You understand? I tell you what I go on. But me not trouble people, you know. And me just sell my goods them. So I push you to sell. If I buy goods, you come back and sell in the bus park. I bus park me sell. You understand? So no one lock me up. I'm gonna lock me up for.
You know, my people, it's rough for some of the vendors them out there, you know. It's rough for some of the vendors them within the country of Jamaica, you know. You know. Look, I'm a law-abiding citizen, you know. I obey the rules and the laws of my country and even other countries out there in the world. Yes, what I say, that is when or if I'm out there, you understand. You know, but I just want to see everyone be okay and alright and everyone do the legal and the right thing at the same time. So, You know, when we see certain videos on social media, I don't even know what to think, because at the same time, someone I feel it, and at the same time, rules and laws have to be followed. I don't know what to really say about some of these incidents, is it? Alright, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know when this video had been recorded, and for some reason, this video is getting a buzz on social media. This video shows a man who cried after the police within the country of Trinidad and Tobago caught the man out in the public during curfew hours within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Alright? You can also let me know what you think about this video as well, and here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I catch my breath to blow back up.
Take a deep breath. You have time, you know, you have to take a deep breath. Take a deep breath and blow.
Blow.
Come on. No, don't hold.
You're going good all the
Take a
time.
deep breath. Open, close the mouth and blow.
Blow hard.
Come, blow. Alright.
Right, stop. Right, sit down. Come, someone sit again. Sit down. Come, sit down now, man. Don't be begging you. Yeah, you're begging.
92, right?
Recording and begging.
Hello, what you reading?
92, right?
You get any paper? You get any paper? Have a seat, sir. Have a seat. Rock the room. Sit down. Have a seat. You have anybody here who will call for you? Your family member and stuff? Why is that after me, baby? Why is that after me? Nothing after you, going home after Life continues, so you go and continue. You paid my rent? You paid my rent?
Yeah.
You go home after.
Boy, you don't care about nobody, boy. I'm a rent to pay. I'm a light bill to pay. You care about that? Ask me if you care about that.
Yes,
You don't care, brother, boy. You don't care, my brother, boy. I fighting my ass to survive, boy. You don't care about nobody, boy. You don't care. You telling me all you care. I beg it all I say, but I just try to rush so fast because of this man.
It's a whole hour and something every curfew. A whole hour and something.
So wait, so
they say 9 o'clock.
We are coming from the channel. Rush home.
They say 9 o'clock you gotta be inside.
All you tell me which part. All you ask me. All you do.
yes, let me know your friend.
You went online and drink rum and trying to.
Drink rum.
But we smelling the rum all look like quite you're not smelling.
2 Guinness, some gin.
2 Guinness alone you drink?
Man buy 2 Guinness.
So why you drink it for?
Buy down I family in sour.
So why you drink it?
And I tried to rush the man home. I don't drop the man home safe. And try to rush home. And all they killing me, you know. I don't spend $10,000 to fix my car, you know. Oh, no, they don't care nothing. You tell me all they care. No, they don't care nothing, man. Oh, they don't care.
Jano, viewers and subscribers, you see, if curfew hours had been set in a country that you're in, watch your time. Do not lose track of your time. It's very important to watch your time. If curfew hours had been set within a country that you're in, you see me? So whether it wants to be Trinidad and Tobago or it wants to be Jamaica or somewhere else out there in the world, once curfew hours set at certain times or time, watch your time. Don't lose track of your time when you're out there in the public. You see me I say? Set the alarm on your watch or set the alarm on your phone 2 hours ahead before the curfew hours begin. So that you can be notified or you will know say, hey, curfew hours soon start. See? And if curfew hours begin at 8 p.m. from Monday to Friday, you set the alarm on your watch or on your phone 2 hours ahead or an hour ahead and put it on repeat for each one of them days there. You get what I say to you? Find a way to make sure so you're on the safe side. Set the alarm on your watch, set the alarm on your phone. Them little things there. So I say, look, I only wish the best for each and every one, you know. So I say, and you know, this COVID-19 pandemic really affected the whole world in my point of view. See? So, because of how things set, just try and be on the safe side. Yeah, so at them little things that I look on. So people, me just give advice when I think of the best, you know. And I wonder who really video recorded this, you know. Like who really recorded this video. Why the person record it? Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.